Hello, everyone. Welcome to another installment of Autism Corner. My name is Will Urbano. I'm your host. And today I just wanted to talk a little bit about something I found on the Autism Speaks website. As many people know, Autism Speaks is really kind of the go-to resource for all things autism related. And this channel, Autism Corner, is designed to provide free resources and information to parents who are navigating life while having a child on the spectrum, in particular, a minor child on the spectrum. And one of the things that I found on the Autism Speaks website, I think is extremely helpful. It doesn't deal specifically with any type of behavioral modification or behavior interventions or anything like that. It really just deals with something that affects parents of children on the spectrum even more so than anyone else, which is financial planning for the future for your children. And obviously, if you have a child on the spectrum or with any other special need, that concern is just amplified by virtue of their status or their diagnosis as being neurodivergent and being on the spectrum. So the financial planning tool, which you can find on the Autism Speaks website, if you go to autismspeaks.org and just click on it's called Help and Information tab, you would then scroll down to information by topic. And the very first category that is available is financial planning. And so if you click on financial planning, it's going to take you, if you scroll down just a little bit on the screen, it takes you to something called, under the special needs financial planning section. On the left-hand side, there will be a box for it says Special Needs Financial Planning Toolkit. And that's described as a comprehensive guide that covers all of the critical topics related to planning for the future. If you click on that, then it tells you a little bit more in depth about what topics are involved in that financial planning toolkit. One of them is accessing funding through state and federal programs, obviously very good. The setting up of a special needs trust for your child, again, very good, and a financial planner or either an attorney or a CPA would probably be able to help you with that. It talks about financial products and instruments used in planning, so I'm assuming that means investment tools, like bonds and so forth. It also talks about how to set up a guardianship or a conservatorship going forward, so that presumably the child's financial needs can be adequately and appropriately and properly administered. And after that, there's just some more, it looks like some basic discussion about just budgeting, and probably nothing too terribly in depth or too complex. But at the same time, it might be a nice tool for you just to kind of plan out both the near future and long-term planning as far as living expenses and financial support for your child as time goes on. And then there's more of a general reference to general financial assistance, which I don't know if that would involve the state and federal programs or if they're talking about loan programs. But in any event, I would just recommend that you give this a look, see if this is something that you feel like would benefit you and your family. I would also recommend that regardless of how you feel about whatever is on the Autism Speaks website in that financial planning toolkit, you probably should talk that over with a CPA, an attorney, at least someone who specializes in trusts, guardianships, dealing with the special needs, or dealing with financial planning in a special needs context. That's something or someone we want to probably, speak to about before you make any final decision. And just to wrap up today, just wanted to remind our viewers that here at Autism Corner, my goal is to provide you as a parent with as much helpful and useful information as I can find to help you navigate being a parent of a child who is on the spectrum or has any other special needs. This channel will never be monetized. I will never accept payment of any kind, no Patreon, nothing. This channel is designed only for parents and to provide you with access and guidance to free resources that might be helpful to you in terms of information about how to go through your life as a parent of a child on the spectrum. I'm not recommending any particular therapist or professional, just again, trying to get you information that you might find helpful as you continue on your journey as a parent of a child on the spectrum. So that's it for today. If you like what you've heard today, or you feel like you might get some useful information from this channel now or in the future, I would just ask you to please subscribe and also turn on your notifications settings so that every time that a new video is uploaded, you will have the benefit of knowing about it. And if the information is helpful to you, so much the better. So for today, that's it. Again, I'm Will Urbano. This is Autism Corner. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Thank you.